how to use Afterpay Card in store. So I'm going to explain how this works. Once you have generated an Afterpay virtual card, then you will need to go into your Apple Wallet. Once you go into the Apple Wallet, then you can click on the plus sign here at the top to add a card. We will then select debit or credit card. And right here it should take you directly to the screen. Now click on continue. If you have an Afterpay debit card, physical card, you can scan it by placing it near your iPhone. If you have only a virtual card, then you will enter the card details manually here. You will need to provide your name, which is associated with your Cash App account, and also the card number, which you can find on the Afterpay app. Once you provide your name and card number, you will click on continue at the bottom. Go through the prompts, and this is going to add the card to your Apple Pay or Apple Wallet. And once you have Apple Pay or Apple Wallet set up, you will just tap to pay as you would normally with any debit or credit card. I hope this video answers your question and helps you use Afterpay in store. Leave a like and subscribe if it did, and I'll see you next time.